couldn't fuck with me.
He tough. We go to 7th. We go to 7th Street.
Bring your ass down here again.
First race was cool, nigga.
You had it in the first race. I don't know what the fuck he did. He came right back like that. Like I told him earlier, big homie. I threw the fish hook on that. Alright, reel that nigga in. Hey, reel that nigga in. Take his head off the motherfucker with the first ball. You know what I'm saying? Like, on his ass. He took his head off the ball. It was like this, so he didn't catch up, nigga. I told you better take that back. You take off. That ain't work though, my nigga. It's your fault for not knowing how to take off. Take that back. That ain't it. You my nigga though. Alright, I told you that. I told you. Y'all done started something. Yeah, I told him. Yeah, y'all gonna everybody turn rate 220. Niggas ain't gonna do me like that. Straight up. Nigga, my shit's bad. Niggas ain't gonna do me like that though. Real. If I lose, I'm gonna take my shit back, tell niggas, feel my shit, you owe me. You better tell nigga he owe you, bro. That nigga had you by about 3 bikes on the way. Hell about it. Hey, he got you by 1. He got you by 1. He got you by 1 first time. That nigga got you by 3. Like 3 bikes, nigga. Yeah, I didn't burn no rubber. I didn't burn no rubber really. That second time you race, I didn't really burn no rubber. I just took off on that motherfucker. Y'all know what you're doing, huh? Hey, it was a race, though. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? It was a race. I ain't gonna lie. It was a race, nigga. You did your thing on that motherfucker. Man, I don't know why my shit going out well like that. You know what I'm saying? It's always a winner and a loser. You know what I'm saying? I'm still undefeated, though. That's what's up. I'm undefeated right now, nigga. I'm undefeated, though, you heard me? I'm undefeated. I'm undefeated. I'm coming for that nigga. I mean, you wasn't up there, you know. That nigga told all that shit down there, nigga. I'm coming for that nigga. I don't even want to race on those people up here. That's why I just told him, leave me alone. I want to race in LA, nigga. Hey, turn that down so you can hear this, because this nigga right here is on YouTube. This nigga's a cold nigga right here. Hello? I don't want to race my niggas, man. Are they close?
Who you going for, man? Who you want, man? What you want?
I want that nigga Dynamite, nigga. This black thing right here, nigga.
Hey, he got that, Poncho got that nigga roll up bike over there bleeding. He got punch that nigga in the lip, got that nigga over there right now. Nothing, just watch this, right? Just watch these fast ass bikes. Wait. Just the overflow. Yeah, this is the overflow. Yeah. That nigga said my shit.
This and that, man.
All right, that nigga
represent this and that. I ain't in no bar, man.
Hey, bro, your shit was moving that first time. I don't know what happened first time. Second thing, nigga.
What pulled off, nigga? Hey, what we took off, what was about to do? Burn rubber all the way down. No, it ain't, man. It ain't nothing. I lost.
Hey, yeah, man, that nigga Poncho fast, man. You better think Poncho fast. Hey, but guess what? Anybody else? Come see it.
Right now, you in our league. You in my league right now. 95 to 110. I think I ain't 117 right now.
Yeah, he's like he did about 106.
He 106 league right now. What?
I'm still in the 116 league, nigga. Tell 1 month.
Hey, nigga, my shit fast, nigga. Yeah, hey, right there. You wanna race me?
Oh yeah.
I don't want to race you too fast.
Oh, I know everybody in Oakland know about that candy purple thing. They know that thing. The old motor was fast. My shit extreme fast, man. You know what I mean? Yeah, the old motor was fast. I'm extreme fast right now.
You ain't ready for that blue sign right there, though.
Come on, man. That's my nigga right there. We come to get you niggas on these 88s.
Yeah, man, you know,
95.
I lost, man, but you know, I'll be back. You know what I'm saying? The first race was real close, second race, I don't know what happened, man.